Hi friends! Today I'm in one of my favorite places, the library. Do you know why the library is so special? Each book holds adventure, fantasy and wonder. From reading about courageous sailors to beautiful princesses and exciting adventures. I've also asked some of my book-loving friends to join us.
Hi everyone, I'm Mika and I love to read. Are you ready to hear a story about a boy and his dog? I can't wait.
Gerard is 'n vrolike seun. Gerard is a cheerful boy. Elke dag speel hy saam met sy bruin hond, Bruno, in die park. Every day he plays with his brown dog Bruno in the park. Kom Bruno, roep Gerard. Come Bruno, Gerard calls. Bruno swaai sy stert en hardloop na Gerard. Bruno wags his tail and runs to Gerard. Gerard gooi 'n stok en Bruno bring dit terug. Gerard throws a stick and Bruno brings it back. Hulle hardloop en speel die hele dag. They run and play the whole day. Gerard sit op die gras en gee Bruno 'n drukkie. Gerard sits on the grass and gives Bruno a hug. Jy is my beste vriend, fluister hy. You are my best friend, he whispers. Die son sak stadig. The sun sets slowly. Gerard staan op en roep. Kom Bruno, laat ons huis toe gaan. Gerard stands up and calls, Come Bruno, let's go home. Hulle hardloop saam huis toe. They run home together. Bruno en Gerard raak aan die slaap op die bank. Bruno and Gerard fall asleep on the couch. Môre sal hulle weer saam speel. Tomorrow they will play together again.
Wow, books make me so clever. Just listen to all the new words I have learned today.
Hond, hond. Bruno is 'n bruin hond. Bruno is a brown dog. Speel, speel. Gerard en Bruno speel saam. Gerard and Bruno play together. Park, park. Hulle speel in die park. They play in the park. Gooi, gooi. Gerard gooi 'n stok. Gerard throws a stick. Bring, bring. Bruno bring dit terug. Bruno brings it back. Great job, Mika! Friends, can you say these words after me? Hond, hond. Speel, speel. Park, park. Gooi, gooi. Bring, bring. Well done, everyone! I'm going to read the story one more time, but this time without translations. See how much of it you can understand. Gerard is 'n vrolike seun. Elke dag speel hy saam met sy bruin hond Bruno in die park. Kom Bruno, roep Gerard. Bruno swaai sy stert en hardloop na Gerard. Gerard gooi 'n stok en Bruno bring dit terug. Hulle hardloop en speel die hele dag. Gerard sit op die gras en gee Bruno 'n drukkie. Jy is my beste vriend, fluister hy. Die son sak stadig. Gerard staan op en roep, kom Bruno, laat ons huis toe gaan. Hulle hardloop saam huis toe. Bruno en Gerard raak aan die slaap op die bank. Môre sal hulle weer saam speel.
That was so much fun. I bet you can help me answer these questions. Let's do it together.
Wie speel saam in die park?
Who plays together in the park? Gerard and Bruno.
Wat gooi Gerard vir Bruno? 'n stok, 'n bal of 'n frisbee?
What does Gerard throw? You're right, a stok.
Waarheen gaan hulle aan die einde van die dag?
Where do they go to at the end of the day? You're right, they're going home.
Hulle gaan huis toe.
Do you also love stories? Help us make more of these videos by liking and subscribing to the channel.
Thank you for joining us, friends. We are looking forward to many story adventures with you. Until next time, goodbye.